Want to turn your slides into a narrated video? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along with the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find the link in the description. Let's start. From the home page, click New Project, then select Slides to Video. Next, upload your presentation. You can drag and drop your PDF or PowerPoint file, or click Browse to select it from your device. Once your slides are uploaded, you're ready to add narration. Next, let's add narration to your slides. You can either type it in manually for each slide or use the AI assistant on the left to help you out. If you're not sure what to write, you can chat with the AI assistant to get ideas or help refine your script. When it gives you a suggestion, you can click Accept to use it, or Decline if you want to keep refining. Or you can also adjust how it responds by clicking Standard and choosing the response quality you prefer. Before moving on, take a moment to review your narration and make any final edits. Next, let's prepare your video settings. Before generating your video, you can customize a few settings. This includes AI voiceover, avatar, captions, screen ratio, and post-production options like music, transitions, and watermark. Once you're ready, click Generate Video. After generation, you'll be taken to the preview screen where you can review your video. From here, you can restart, edit your project, or share and export your video. And that's it. You've made your video presentation. Just upload, add narration, and generate your video. Sign up and try VideoGen today.